Hi folks, Bob Holzacker here, Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough, Maine. I wanted to do a video on this beautiful 22 Mercedes-Benz E450 wagon. The cream of the crop of wagons, especially when a lot of companies have stopped making wagons. We have a whole cadre of aficionados that really love their Mercedes wagons. It's all they'll buy, and luckily we have continued the tradition. This is technically called the E450 all-terrain wagon. It's based on the E-Class. Just a beautiful example here. You're going to have all the Mercedes safety features you've become used to, including the brake assist system behind the star. It's radar-based, and that is going to detect a deer, a moose, a mouse, anything in your way. It's going to warn you and then proceed to brake the car if needed. This one is very well equipped. You have the 4MATIC, beautiful wheels on it. Let's come back here and take a look at the window sticker real quickly. The car is priced at $83,000. You have a number of really desirable options, including the driver's assistance package. You can take your hands off the steering wheel. The Distronic is going to keep you from the vehicle in front of you, keep that distance. Sirius radio and many other features, of course, heated steering wheel and heated seats. Let's walk around the car. The back shows very nicely. One of the features people are surprised that we have continued is the way back seat. If you have any grandchildren or children, they're going to want to sit in the way back like you probably did when you were a child. It's rear facing and it's back under here. This part opens up and that part opens there. What's nice about it is it is a legal seat, even for adults. You have seat belts, so even adults, if you need to take people to ice cream or something like that, you can put them back here for a short trip. Otherwise, it's for children. Let's continue around the car. Beautiful interior. Shows really nicely. I love the lighter interior. It's perfect on this car. It has the rear temperature controls, and also the Burmester sound system is 580 watts. It's very crisp, even if it's not turned up all the way. The interior front is here. Beautiful leather interior. Real wood veneer. You notice this side matches the dash. It's from the same piece of veneer. It's a touchscreen for the first time, and it also uses our MBUX system, which is a spoken word system powered by artificial intelligence, so it'll understand what you want to do. You can use that for navigation, ambient lighting, temperature, your Sirius radio channel, etc. So, I'd love to have you test drive this wagon. It's a beautiful year-round car. As much space inside as most SUVs on the road. Again, it's Bob Holzacker, Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough, 207-747-9714. Thank you.